So today we're going to take a look at how you can change text to make it look more proper if we've got like basically user data that's useful but it's just not very pleasing to look at. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up here, we're going to press equals and we're going to type in proper and then we're going to type in trim. And what trim is basically going to do is, let's say the text was bigger, we'll do a demonstration of this in a second. If there was more spaces, like let's say it was like several words and there were spaces between those words or spaces backwards and forwards, it would convert that text to a proper format. So we just click this here, and trim would only look for single spaces, and that's what it would leave. So like, let's say you had a first name and a surname, it would leave that. So we just close this off like here. So we've got trim, proper, trim. We're selecting our cell A3 and you'll see that it'll convert it to proper. So if what we do here is, if we put some spaces in between this here, like that, we're going to see once I pull this down here, as you can see, it's sorted out. So if we do another one, let's just put in this and let's hold that. We put a Smith in there, as you can see, it converted it into proper, easy to look at English. So that's how you format text into a proper standard. Thanks for watching guys, please like, comment and subscribe and I'll see you next time.